Good morning, dear cadets. So yesterday I taught you two methods of preparation of alcohol. Okay, one by the alkene and another by the carbonyl compound. So for the sake of number they were two, but under two many were there. Like from the alkene, number one was the hydration of alkene in presence of acid, then hydroboration followed by oxidation. So two methods in from alkene. Second was the preparation of alcohol from the carbonyl compound. So from the carbonyl compound by the carboxylic acid, or from the carboxylic acid, from aldehyde, from ketone, from ester. So those were the important reactions and those were the important method of preparation of alcohol. Now another very important for the preparation of examination, that is still we are in the methods of preparation of alcohol only from Grignard reagent. So as far as the introduction of Grignard reagent is concerned, already I taught you. Once again I am telling you, just see, this is RMgX. This is Grignard reagent. Okay, you can take one individual example also. Suppose this is CH3. It is like that, CH, here what is there, Mg, and this is hex. Okay, now try to understand. The electronegativity of carbon atom is 2.5 and magnesium is 1.5. so which is more electronegative? Carbon is more electronegative. So the bond pair electron which is present between carbon and magnesium, it will be shifted toward this side. So now this would be like that, CH3MgX. This is slightly positive and this carbon atom is slightly negative. Means this covalent bond is polar covalent bond. It is 36% ionic. What is this one? 36. Actually it is a covalent bond only, but polar covalent bond. 36% is ionic. That is the characteristics of Grignard reagent. Okay, so remember here in RMgX, this is slightly negative, this is slightly positive. Okay, now just see from Grignard reagent how you will prepare the alcohol. So see, when Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, SCHO, acetaldehyde and ketone, then what is there? Alcohol is formed. When Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, what is this one? This is methanol. What is this one? Formaldehyde or methanol. Ol means alcohol, al means aldehyde, Al. Now what is this one? Ethanol. Methanol or formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay. What is this one? This is ethanol or acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. What is this one? This is acetone or propane 2-one. Acetone or propane 2-one. So just see, when formaldehyde or methanol react with Grignard reagent, then 1 degree alcohol is the product. Grignard reagent. This is also Grignard reagent. This is also Grignard reagent. Okay. So when Grignard reagent react with methanol, 1 degree alcohol. When Grignard reagent react with acetaldehyde or ethanol, 2 degree alcohol. When Grignard reagent react with ketone, then 3 degree alcohol is the product. Actually how the reaction is taking place, just see. Reaction is taking place in 2 steps. Now try to understand. What is this one? This is means in all carbonyl. This is carbonyl compound. Methanol, ethanol or acetaldehyde or ketone, acetone. All three have got the ketonic group or not? So this is the symbol of ketonic group, C double bond O. And you know that this group is also polar group only. Why? Because carbon electronegativity is 2.5 and oxygen is near about 3.5. So what is there? This bond pair electron will be shifted towards the oxygen atom. Okay. So when it is shifted, so this will be like that, C single bond O, slightly negative, slightly positive, slightly negative, slightly positive. Okay, so this is polar or not? Okay, and now just see, Grignard reagent is also polar and this is also polar. Okay, dipole is generated. Now in carbonyl, this is carbonyl carbon is slightly positive and oxygen is slightly negative. In Grignard reagent, R group is slightly negative and MgX is slightly positive. Okay, now just see here. The first step is nucleophilic attack by RMgX. So just see, this will attack. This who will attack? This is 2.5 and 3.5. This is electronegativities. What is this one? Electronegativities. Okay. Now Grignard reagent will attack from R side. R means negative. It will attack here. Okay. So just see, R is added here. Okay. Just see, this is R. And MgX will be added toward the O side. Just see here. Okay. So this is the addition product. Entire Grignard reagent is getting added to the carbonyl group. Just see, everything will be taken place at carbonyl group only, C double bond O group only. So this is the addition product. Now second step is hydrolysis of addition product. So this is addition product. Hydrolysis means water, reaction with water. So just see, water means what is there? H2O. H2O can be written HOH. So just see, where joint is there, breaking is taking place from there only. So where joint is there? Joint is between O and MgX. Okay. So now give H from here and OH from O, give H to O and MgX to OH. So now what is the product here? This is alcohol. Just see, it will break RCHOH. R, now here H will be there, RCH3, whatever is there. So this is alcohol, and this is hydroxy magnesium halide. Hydroxy magnesium halide. Okay, this is common mechanism. Now just see, we'll take one by one and we'll explain. But remember, all reaction will be taken place in 2 steps only. Okay, so now methods of preparation of alcohol means from Grignard reagent how you will prepare the alcohol. So first one, just take HCH double bond O. First one from methanol. Okay, this is just a minute. Write down like that, HCH double bond O. Okay, this is methanol. Okay, now plus take one individual. Okay, just take here RMgX. Okay, now just see, first step is this one only, shift this bond here because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Okay, and here also this is slightly positive, this is slightly negative. Do this work. So now if it is polar, so it would be like that, HCH. Okay, single bond O. Okay, now one valency of carbon is left free. Now it will be broken from here. Okay, so now here R will be here. So add R here, and this is slightly negative, this is slightly positive. So negative will be added to the positive part. Just see here, R will be added, and here MgX is positive part, so it will be added with the negative part of this one. This is O is the negative part. Okay, so this is addition product. What is this one? Addition product. Okay, no problem. Now just see, next step is hydrolysis. H2O oblique H positive. So here just try to understand, break from here. So here what is the product here? HCH, here R, here what is there? OH, and here what is there? MgX, and OH, hydroxy magnesium halide. What is this one? Hydroxy magnesium halide. And what is this one? This is 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. Okay. Now you can take individual R here. So IHCH double bond O, and here what is there? CH3MgX. Okay. Take here Cl. Okay. So now here what is the product? Shift this one here. So what is the product here? HCH. Okay. Now O, here what is there? MgCl, and here CH3. So now try to understand here. This is negative part, this is positive part. Okay. This is slightly negative, here slightly positive. This is slightly positive, this is slightly negative. Now it is not negative because it is added. So just see, in when Grignard reagent is reacting with carbonyl compound, then what is happening? One CH3 group. One CH means in all cases. So in all the cases, Grignard reagent will furnish one alkyl group, two carbonyl compound. Okay. So just see this. Now in formaldehyde no alkyl group is there. Who is furnishing one alkyl group? This one, Grignard reagent. That is why when formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, 1 degree alcohol is formed, because in 1 degree alcohol at least one R group should be there. Now in acetaldehyde, just see, in acetaldehyde what is there? CH3CHO. Okay. And when it is reacting with the Grignard reagent, so one alkyl group it is having, another alkyl group is Grignard reagent, which will furnish to this one. So that is why what is there? 2 degree alcohol is formed when acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent. Similarly, when ketone is reacting, CH3, C double bond O, and here what is there? RMgX. So here what is there? Already 2 alkyl group is there, and one more alkyl group will come here. That is why whenever ketone is reacting with Grignard reagent, the product is 3 degree alcohol. Product is 3 degree alcohol. One thing. Second important thing is there. Now this is the addition product. Okay. Next step would be hydrolysis. H2O oblique H positive, acidic hydrolysis. So breaking will be taken place where MgX part is added. So now H2O means HOH. So give H here, OH here. So what is the product here? The product is HC, and here what is there? CH3, here H, here OH, plus what is there? Mg, here Cl, and here OH. Here what is there? Hydroxy magnesium chloride. And what is this one? This is CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, or ethanol, not ethanol, ethanol. Okay, over. So just only 2 steps are there. Now let us begin with this is second one, from acetaldehyde. Okay. So from second one, from ethanol. Okay. Just see. There is one more aspect here. You analyze this product. What is this one? Ethanol. So what you can say? Just see. In this product, one CH3 has come from Grignard reagent, and one H has come from water. So what is the left out? Left out is SCHO. So what is SCHO? Formaldehyde. Means from the product very easily you can identify that from which carbonyl compound and from which Grignard reagent this product has been obtained. I hope that you are getting this one. See, in means whatever alcohol is formed after the reaction with Grignard reagent. Okay, so one thing is sure, one alkyl group must be furnished by Grignard reagent, at least one, it may be more than one, but at least one reagent, one alkyl group must be furnished by the Grignard reagent. Okay, so from the product you remove that alkyl group. So I have removed here CH3 group. Okay, so CH3 group I have removed. Okay, and during the course, during the hydrolysis, what has happened? Whatever product of alcohol is formed, one H has been added to it by water molecules. So remove that H also, and now check the remains. What is the remains here? Remains is here HCH and O. Okay, so when H will come out, so now here what would be there? Double bond would be there, double bond would be there or not? So now this is the aldehyde by which this product is obtained when Grignard reagent is reacting. Now this is CH3 group. What is this one? CH3 group. Now CH3 you have got, so another must be MgX. Okay, MgX, correct or not? Now see, suppose you have not got, so we'll do same reaction with ethanol. Okay, so we will have this one also, don't worry, just see. Ethanol is CH3CH double bond O. See, it seems that they are very easy reaction, but if you see the questions of NCERT, so what is there? Same reaction can be asked in two ways. What is that one? First question is how you will obtain 1 degree alcohol from Grignard reagent. Okay, one thing. Second one thing, they will give you the product and they will tell you segregate the carbonyl compound and Grignard reagent. So only product will be there. So you should know the method how to get the reactant from the product. So this is the product, subtract one Grignard reagent. Okay, alkyl group, and another H, whatever remains is there, that is only carbonyl compound. Okay, just see here, CH3CHO plus here what is there? CH3MgCl. Okay, what is the next one now? First, and one more thing is there, everything is taking place at C double bond O group only. Here only everything, all action is taking place. This is the site of action. So shift this bond here. Okay, and here also slightly negative, slightly positive, and now here product, just see, this will be breaking from here. So what is the product here? CH3, one alkyl group is already with the acetaldehyde, another one is C, here H, here what is there? Here O, and here what is there? Mg, and here Cl. Okay, and another one CH3 will be attached here. So now add here CH3. Now subject it for hydrolysis, H2O oblique H positive. So what is the product here? Product is here CH3 and here C. Here what is there? H. Here what is there? CH3, and here what is there? O. And just see, H will be given here, OH will be given here, because this is the point of addition. So here H, here what is there? H plus what is there? Mg, here what is there? Cl, and here what is there? OH. So hydroxy magnesium chloride. And what is this one? This is 2 degree alcohol. What is this one? 2 degree isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, or this is 2 degree alcohol. Now just see. Now suppose only product is given, and they are telling identify the Grignard reagent and carbonyl compound, means aldehyde or ketone, from which this compound has prepared. So from this product, just see, you remove one alkyl group. Okay, I have removed here alkyl group. Okay, removed one H, because these two are being added when acetaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent. Okay, followed by the hydrolysis. So CH3 and H I have removed. after removal of this one, what is the remains? Remains is CH3, C and H, and here single bond O. Since H has come out, so here double bond would be there. So now your carbonyl compound is acetaldehyde, and now here CH3 and here MgX would be there. Okay, and H will go with the OH. So this is the water. Correct or not? So very easily you can come to know that what are the reactant by which this alcohol has been formed. Okay, next one is that is third one from acetone. Just see, third one from acetone. So take first here CH3, CH3, C double bond O. Just see here, already two alkyl group is here, and another one will come from CH3MgBr. Okay, so just see, shift here. Now this is the site of action. Okay, and now here slightly negative, here slightly positive. So what is the product here? The product is CH3, CH3, here C, here what is there? O, here what is there? Mg, here Br, and now this CH3 will be added here. So now here CH3. Okay, now followed by hydrolysis, H2O oblique H positive. So here what is there? H, and here OH. So what is the product here? CH3, C, here CH3, here what is there? CH3, here OH. H should be here, plus what is there? Mg, here Br, here OH. What is this one? Hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium bromide. And what is this one? T-butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. And now suppose this reaction is not given, product they have given, and they told you identify the reactant. From which reactant, from which Grignard reagent, and from which ketone this product you have got. Ketone or aldehyde. So just see, one alkyl group you must subtract this one. Okay, so now this is CH3, and another one H you subtract. Okay, H. What is the remains here? CH3, C, and now O. So when H will come out here, double bond. So this is ketone. And now Grignard reagent must be MgX, and this is OH now, water. Okay, so all you have got here. Grignard reagent also you have got, this one also you have got. Okay, in this way method of preparation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent is over. Okay, okay, so here some questions are there. Since method of preparation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent is over, now let us practice some exercise. Okay, so I will begin with the page number 325 in text questions. Okay, we'll teach this one also, don't worry, but first we will do this one only. Just see. So how are the following alcohols prepared by the reaction of suitable Grignard reagent on methanol? Okay, suitable Grignard reagent they are asking. So one product is this one. Okay, one product is this one, and another product is this one. Okay, so just see, method already I taught you. Which alkyl group should be subtracted from the product which is bonded with carbonyl carbon? Remember this one. First of all, one alkyl group should be subtracted, because Grignard reagent will have only one alkyl group. So that alkyl group, while in course of reaction getting attached with the carbonyl carbon, so from the product that should be removed. So just see. Now just see, one more thing is there. HCHO, this is methanol. This can be written like that also, CH2O. Okay, CH2O. So just see CH2O, this is the site of reaction CH2O. So first you remove the H. Okay, so now what is the CH2O? Now RSCHO, you have got this one. Okay, now this part has come from Grignard reagent, it is proved now. Okay, so now this is the Grignard reagent. So CH3 and here what is there? MgBr. This is Grignard reagent. Now it is better to check also. So how you will check? Do one thing, make their reaction. Okay, so now this is our aldehyde and this is our Grignard reagent. So just make here reaction. HCH double bond O plus CH3 CH3 MgBr. So this is positive part, this part is negative part, and here this bond is shifted. So what is the product here now? HCH, here O, here Mg, here Br, and here what is there? C, here what is there? CH3, here also CH3, and here H. Now next one is hydrolysis. So here H and here OH. So what is the product here? The product is HCH, here C, here what is there? CH3, here CH3, here H, and here what is there? Mg, here Br, and here OH, hydroxy magnesium bromide. And this one, just check here. Okay, here please CH3 CH double bond O. Okay, so you have got this one, just check here. Yes, that is only you have got. CH3, sorry, here OH, don't get confused. CH3H, CH, and here OH. Okay, yes, now it is correct. Now same alcohol you have got, check. Okay, and now MgBrOH. So checklist is also ready. First identify the reactant and make their reaction. Okay, what about this one? Just see here, I am rubbing this one. Now just see, this is this one. Okay, so just see. First what should be there? First alkyl group. So here alkyl group is not there, alicyclic group is there. Where the bond of action is there? This CH2OH. So alkyl group should be removed from carbonyl carbon. So which is carbonyl carbon? This is the carbonyl carbon. Remove H. So what is left here? CH2 double bond O. This one. And now what is there? Another one is this one only, alicyclic, cyclohexane. So Grignard reagent you will have this one. This is Grignard reagent, MgX. Correct or not? Because first you should remove that alkyl group which is bonded with carbonyl carbon of aldehydes or ketone. So this is only removed. Correct? Now in this case what was there? This was the alkyl group which was bonded with carbonyl carbon. Other alkyl group is not there. Correct? Any doubt about this one? Yes. Now if you want to reaction, you can check here their reaction with this one. Just see, just a minute, make their reaction. See, so this is our Grignard reagent, MgBr plus what is this one? CH2 double bond O. CH2 double bond O. So now it is better to write in this way, H and H. Shift this one here. So product is here HCHO, and here what is there? MgBr, and this side what is there? Alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound. Now subject it for hydrolysis. So here H, here OH. So what is the product now? Product is HCHOH. And here what is there? This and this. Plus what is there? Plus MgBr and OH. Now you have got this compound. Means our Grignard reagent is this one and carbonyl compound is this one. Okay, in this way you can do. It doesn't mean that they will ask this one only, they can ask anything. So we should remember the rule over this one. What is the second one reaction? Write the structure of the product of the following reaction. Very easily you can do. This is acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. So here product will be CH3 CHOH CH3. Okay, now just see, this is very important reaction. Sodium borohydride. See, in this compound two functional group is there. One is ester functional group and another one is ketonic functional group. So sodium borohydride can only reduce the ketonic group. Ester can only be reduced by sodium and oblique C2H5OH. So while undergoing reduction, this will be as such only. Only here H will be attached because ketone can undergo reduction and form the alcohol. So what is the product here? This is the product, this one, and here OH, and this part as such you should write as such. CH2, see here, CH2, here what is there? C double bond O, and here O, and here what is there? CH3. Okay, now name also you can write here. What would be the name? Just guess. This is ester, and in priority order this is coming first. Okay, who is coming first? Ester. So this is methyl first. Alkyl alkane OH. In IUPAC system ester is known as alkyl alkane OH. So this is methyl. Then what is this one? Cyclohexyl ol. Cyclohexyl number कर लो 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, correct? Yes. So this is the substituent. This would be the at 1 number carbon atom. What is attached? Methyl for this one. Cyclohexyl ol or hydroxycyclohexane. Just a minute. Will create first place, then will write because problem would be there. Okay, so I am writing upper side, there is no problem. In IUPAC system ester is known as alkyl alkane OH. So first this one methyl. Okay, methyl, then this is now substituent, this entire group. So ethyl 2-hydroxy cyclohexyl ethane OH. Methyl 2-hydroxy cyclohexyl ethane OH. Ester means OH. Okay, now one more product is there here. What would be the reduction product of this one? Alcohol only. 1 2 3 4. Just check here. Can I rub this side now? Just see, I am rubbing this one because already you have completed. Now see, this is sodium borohydride. So now here 1H will be attached. Reduction. So this is CH3 CH2, here CH, here what is there? CH3, here CH, and here OH. Correct or not? This is the alcohol. Okay, you can write. So all three I have solved this one. Okay, now here they have given some. First one, give structure and IUPAC name of the product expected from the following reaction. So just see here, we'll do this one also. See, first one is hydration of propene in the presence of dilute H2SO4. You know, very simple. This is CH3CH. Just see, write down here CH3 double bond CH2. their reaction with H2O in presence of H positive. So the product is CH3CH OH and CH3. Okay, what is the name of this one? Propane 2-ol. Okay, this is the product. Reaction of propanone with magnesium with methyl magnesium bromide. Now do one thing, acetone reaction you have to write. Reaction of Grignard reagent with acetone, T-butyl alcohol will form. So I am not writing the reaction. Acha, one more is there, sorry, this is for the second one. Now first one is catalytic reduction of butanol. Butanol, first write butanol. CH3 CH2 CH2. Now here what is there? C double bond O H. Okay. Now this is aldehyde group. CHO. Just see. Aldehyde and ketone both has got the carbonyl carbon. CH double bond O. This is aldehyde. Ketone means R C double bond O. So CO. There is a difference between aldehydic and ketonic carbonyl carbon. In aldehydic carbonyl carbon, one valency must be fulfilled by the H. Okay, carbon has got 4 valency, 2 valency has fulfilled by the oxygen, 1 valency by H, another 1 valency by R. In ketone, remaining 2 valency is fulfilled by oxygen, remaining 2 must be fulfilled by alkyl group only. So that is the difference between aldehydic and ketonic carbonyl carbon. Okay, so this is aldehydic carbonyl carbon, H is there, very easily you have identified. Now they are telling catalytic reduction. So very simple thing is there, add H2 here in presence of nickel, PT, PD. So what is the product here? Product is CH3, CH2, CH2 and here what is there? C, 1H here and here OH. So what is the product? 1, 2, 3. Butane 1-ol you have got. Now third one very easily you can do. Reaction of acetone with methyl magnesium bromide. And what is the product? T-butyl alcohol you will have. T-butyl alcohol. Just now I have finished. In this way, method of preparation of alcohol with exercise, everything is completed. Now method of preparation of phenol and physical and chemical properties of alcohol is left. Okay, so I hope that you are completing, but still I have got one complaint. The watching chemistry video speed is very slow. So please speed up. Now I hope that other subject syllabus is completed. Only chemistry is only lagging behind. So I am also trying from my side, but I can say that there is a difference. I am completing with quality, and you know slogan is completion with quality. So we'll struggle but we'll complete. Thank you.